Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the channel. Well guys, my name is Robert and today guys we're going to be working on the $800 Mustang GT. We're going to be installing an AC vent in her. Yeah guys, this is going to be very simple, but I figured I'll go ahead and make a video on this. Maybe some of y'all might be wondering how to do this or something, because at first I didn't know how to do this guys, but I figured it out. It's pretty simple. So yeah guys, we're going to be working on her today guys, installing the AC vent in her. And there she is guys. Yeah, she's dirty, I know. I gotta clean her up guys. I just haven't had the time to get around to clean her up and everything. And eventually guys, we gotta get this fixed. Working on getting some money up to get that, and working on getting the coilovers guys, so we can get the coilovers on her and get her lower down, looking a little better. Also, you can tell guys, I went ahead and put my stock wheels back on her because the weather's been bad guys and it's been all muddy and dirty out here. So I went ahead and put the stock wheels on her for now. I am gonna put these SVE wheels over here back on her eventually once the weather gets all better and everything. Even my Camaro over here guys is dirty too also. It's not too bad, but if you get too close it's pretty dirty. So yeah, I gotta get around to clean these up guys, and we gotta clean Foxy up too. Yeah, let's get inside here guys, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do this vent. So alright guys, so we're inside here, and as you see, my vent here is all broken and everything, so it needs a new one in it. And before I do that guys, let me give a little update on the double den over here guys. Check it out guys. I went back and cut that plastic that I was talking about that I needed to cut in order to get these buttons here to fit. Ended up cutting that plastic there guys. Ended up cutting it back some more, and I was able to get these buttons to fit, and I was able to get this bezel here to fit in there correctly and everything. Once I cut that plastic behind here, cut it back some more, got it in fit. Didn't cut nothing on here guys, nothing on the bezel or here, nothing. It was on that plastic I was talking about in that video that I needed to cut. So I got her in here guys, looking pretty good. But this double den here guys is only gonna be in here temporary guys. I am gonna be changing it out because this came out of the Fox body guys. So I got to put this back into the Fox body, and I'm gonna be getting a Android one, Android double den. I believe it's the A6. I'm gonna get it and put it in here eventually guys, eventually. So this is in here temporary. Alright guys, so that's pretty much a quick little update on that. So alright guys, there's the AC vent that we're gonna be removing. In order to as you see here, it's all broken and everything. In order to remove this guys, basically you just open your glove compartment here, and right under there guys, you got 2 bolts there, and the size of it is 7. You're gonna get your little ratchet here, little ratchet size 7 right there guys, and just put it under there guys, and you just remove it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 2 bolts there, and once we remove those 2 bolts guys, we're just gonna get a flathead here, stick behind here, and pop this out. But I'm gonna wrap this up with some black tape guys, that way we can keep from not scratching this up and everything. It's right here. Put some black tape, or if you have some plastic trim remover guys, you can also use that to put behind here and pop it out. So basically what we're gonna do is pop the top of here out guys, because the top here just snaps in and the bottom there bolts in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out guys, then we're gonna get the other one in. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, so we got it removed. There it is. Got it all out of there. Dirty as ever. Now we're gonna put the other one in. Like I said guys, I'm gonna come back and paint this later. So right now it's gonna look funny. Let me turn it around. Yeah, that's the way it goes, like that. Right now it's gonna look funny right now, guys, but I am gonna come back and paint this up and clean this up also, so it'll look better. Gotta get some paint from LMR. That's basically the only place I can find some paint that actually match this. Or I might look around at the store and see if I can find something cheaper, some paint, cheaper paint. But we'll see. So we're gonna install this, guys. Basically, just gonna slide it in there like so. Wada bing, wada bang. She's in there. Yeah, she looks funny like that, brown. But we're gonna paint her up and she will match eventually. So yeah, it just snaps in there like that, guys. And now we just gotta put those bolts back in there, right there. Those 7mm bolts. Put those back in, and should be finished. Simple like that, guys. Basically all it is to that. I know there wasn't much really going on today, guys, but I just want to show y'all this, guys. Maybe some of y'all might be curious on how to change these out, because I always thought, guys, that there was bolts up here at the top, but actually it just snaps in there. Give you a look at how it looks once it's out. See the top there, it just snaps in. Oh man, just got some bolts there. Now, if you just want to change these vents out here, guys, these just snap out eventually. You just, well, somehow you can get something in there, just snap that out. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go back and bolt that up later. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for this video, guys. I know it wasn't much, but it's a little something. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I know it wasn't much we really did today, guys, but little things like that, guys, just helps your car look a lot better. Little things can always make a big difference in your car, you know. So yeah, I know that was a little simple to do. Thought maybe some of y'all might want to know how to do it, so I'm gonna try to show y'all. So yeah, guys, I got a lot of stuff planned for this car. A lot of stuff planned, a lot of stuff I want to do. Just working on getting the money up to do work on her, and I'm going to clean her up, guys. I am going to clean her up, guys. And also probably next week, guys, we'll probably do a video on the Camaro, guys. Probably do a video on her, do a little something. What I'm trying to do, guys, right now is basically like do 1 week, do a video on the Fox body, which I'm still in the process trying to figure out that problem on her. I'll give y'all more of an update to doing the video on. I'm gonna do a video on Fox body 1 day, 1 week, one video on the $800 Mustang GT 1 week, and the Camaro 1 week. I'm gonna try to do that. That's what my plans are right now, guys, if y'all wondering. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and stay fearless, guys, and see y'all later.